Hello friends, my name is Gajanan Kale and today is I am going to talk about tense, and tense is a very and most important chapter in English, and we always need to uh, speak in English in tense whenever any beginner start to learn speaking in English. That time he must need to understand tense sentence, because tense is the, I think, because when we learn tense we learn lots of things, because tense is good to learn and easy as well as easy to learn. So in this video I am going to tell about what is tense and how we use tense, and how we can make sentence through tense. Basically tense is the activity which subject does the action in any particular way. Suppose whatever the action whatever the action subject do in it refers to a tense. So today there are three tense. We all know that first is present tense, second is future tense, and third one is past tense. So in present tense we there are four subcategories. Means simple present tense, present continuous tense, present tense, and perfect continuous present tense. So there are every in present tense there are helping verbs which I am going to tell you. In simple present tense we use helping verbs do and does. In present continuous tense we need to use helping verbs is, am, and are. In perfect present tense uh, we need to use has or have. And past continuous present tense we need to use has been and have been. So I am going to tell you how to make sentence with the help of these helping verbs in present simple and present continuous and perfect continuous. So first let's go to simple present tense. So in simple present tense we always need to use uh, subject plus v1 when we talk about any third person singular. That time means he, she, it, and any particular name. That time we need to use uh, es in the word, so that refers the action is present simple tense. So if I talk about, and then the obvious part, remaining part of the object, and there is yes. So I was telling about that there is always we have to talk in present tense, and when if we want to make simple sentence, then time we need to use subject plus verb first form and the remaining object. But if you want to make this sentence negative, that time we need to use do and does not, do not or does not. And does is used when we talk about third person. So these things you have to keep in your mind, because these are nothing but this is the very important thing. Most people when they start learning they don't focus this thing, including I am. When I was start learning this thing, that time I also considered these things not difficult. But whenever I uh, went in depth of this tense, that time I realized this tense is very helpful to understand most English sentences in English. So I was talking about the simple present tense. So here when I want to if I want to make sentence, that time I need to use subject, verb, and first form of verb and the object. I play cricket, I play football, I watch TV, I read books, I walk on the road, she drives car, she drinks water, she throws ball. These types of things we have to say in simple present tense. If I want to make question of this sentence, that time do I play cricket, do I write a book, Do I make mistake? Does she sing song? Does she drinks water? Sorry, here we don't need to use yes. Does she drink water? Because whenever we talk about do and does, that time we have to use first form of verb. And if I want to make a do, I do not read books. I do not walk on the road. She does not read books. She does not like football. uh, it is it is not it is I'm sorry, it does not right to say. These types of sentence we have to make. And if we want to talk about present continuous, that time we have to use is, am and are. So basically, instead of I have told about this helping verbs, right now I am just making a sentence with this helping verb. So first is, am, are. She is writing a notebook. She is reading newspaper. He was walking on the road. He was driving yesterday. And this is the simple and present continuous tense. And if I want to talk about negative of this present continuous, then uh, she isn't she is not reading book, she is not talking to me, she is not beautiful. uh, that time, but she is not beautiful is simple sentence. She is not looking beautiful, it is a present continuous simple present continuous sentence. So third one is perfect. Perfect tense is always showing the action is action is completed. In present, in continuous tense, the action is going on, and perfect tense, the action is completed. Whatever the action, it is completed. So it is very easy and understand. I have completed my homework. She has reached to home. She has learned grammar. So this is the present when we have to use uh, have and has plus we verb. Third form of means past participle of verb. And the next one is uh, perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense of present. So we have to use here has been and have been. Whenever we talk about third person, that time we need to has. And when we talk about any singular and plural of any word, that time we have to use have been. So she has been waiting for me. She has been cooking food since morning. She has been driving car since yesterday. She has been thinking since morning. She has been sleeping 2 days. She has been ill for 3 days. So we can make lots of sentence with this helping verb and with this tense. And once you learn this tense, then you will be confident about yourself. And it is most important thing to learn, because no matter what happen, you have to learn this tense. And once the tense is completed, try to make your own sentences, because once you start making sentences, then you get a little bit confidence, and you will feel confident. And don't worry about anything, you just need to speak about daily. And you have to build a habit to do the action or do the study whenever you get time. And once you decide I have to do this, then no matter what happen, you will do it. And I will today this in this sentence I have covered present tense, and tomorrow I will going to talk about past tense in detail. And I know I don't use because there are so many things I have to talk. But the time I always decided to talk about every day in 10 minutes. So this is not possible in this video to talk about past, but I will definitely talk about past in tomorrow's video. So keep watching my videos and keep subscribe my channel. And bye, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.